Okay, now for the part 3 for visualization of results. Okay, so if it were a XY problem, okay, just the two columns here, we can just select this data, okay, or the clusters here again with it, and then go to insert, okay, and then select this scatter plot here, okay, and then it would give us the scatter plot here, okay. But this is not a two coordinate problem, okay. So we would need to make use of some software or an add-in in Excel, okay, to attempt to visualize these clusters, okay. So for that, in the results section, we would go to insert, okay, and then my add-ins. All right, so here, I have already added this E2D3 add-in, okay, that provides some additional visualization capabilities for data analysis in Excel, okay. But if you don't have this here, you can go to the store, okay, and then just search here E2D3. Sorry, E2D3. Okay, if you search it here, you have this pop-up here, okay, and then you can add it. All right, so once you add it, it will come to your my add-ins. All right, and then you need to double click it to run it here. Okay, so we see on our screen this E2D3 plugin. Okay, let's try to move it to the other side. Okay, if I go down here, I think this is taking up my whole screen. All right, no worries. So what I can do here is I can go to the statistics tab, all right, and then I can maybe have a scatter plot brushing, okay, that will show me the values of different columns there, okay. So I'll visualize this here, okay. So once I click this, by default this chart has some data behind it and it will get populated in the result, okay, but I need my own data for this, okay. So I'll just delete this data, okay, sorry, okay, visualize. All right, I will go over here and delete the data that it gave me automatically, okay, delete it here because I need my own data for this, okay. And I'll go back to iteration 2 and bring in my data from here, right. So SL, SW and PL, I would bring my data here, okay, and then save it here. I'm saving this here for my cluster, okay. So I would bring my cluster values from here, right. Okay, select all the values, copy, bring to the results. All right, so now I have my data here and I would select this and click on reset data area, okay. So after doing that, this scatter plot gives us a visualization of our own data, the three columns here, PL, SW and SL, okay, and their correlation with each other, right, and how these three clusters are located with respect to each other, okay. So these three colors are for different species that we have established for our cluster 1, okay. So what we can do here is either we can we can take a screenshot of this. So for my I've tried the save image as well, but somehow it doesn't work, okay. So if you try saving it, if it works for you, well and good. Otherwise, what you can do here is just take a screenshot. So for Mac, the shortcut is Shift, Command and 4, okay. And for Windows, I think there's a snippet tool that you can use, okay. So just take a screenshot of this chart here, okay. You can go down as well by scrolling and then put that screenshot in the results, okay. And if you want to get rid of this chart here, okay, so go to this eye, okay, and then select delete, right. So now you have the image and you can insert the image, pictures, picture from file, okay. So I might have it on my desktop, okay. So this is my screenshot from today. I'm gonna look at this here today. Okay, so this is my screenshot and I can resize it and then put it in my results. Okay, and I can give a title as well to this chart. All right, so this is how I can have one scatter plot for this. Okay, and second